Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is Thursday, the 10th of March of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. Black Box, thank you for the resub at 4 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully y'all are doing well today. Today's stream is going to be a little bit short. I have some stuff to do, so I have to end by 2:45-ish. So apologies in advance for the shorter stream, but yeah, we will stream nonetheless. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. Fixter Jake was first today. Exonity was here before the stream started. Evil Gordita, hello, good to see you as well. JJMC is here. Techie-chan, welcome back. Senpaz, hello. Beldothis is here, as always. Drunk Time Lord, hello. Why you bonking Marsha's? Marsha's not even here. Rollers with the longest noodle. How you doing? Stigs, welcome back. It's been a while. Good to see you again. Toyfoon, hello. Was just watching Anthony Writes Code video on YouTube. Wow, at youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. Amazing. Eagle PT, whoa, the 1-year sub. That's crazy. Thank you for your continued support. That gets you a fancy new badge. Look at your fancy new badge. Koenig is also here with the Love Pico. Hello, Koenig. Good to see you. And Krenpiel, 4th in a row, indeed. Fourth day streaming in a row. We'll probably do 5 tomorrow. And hello again, Black Box. Fixter Jake! 21 months! Whoa. We got 12 and 21. We got them flipped. Thank you for your resub, Fixer Jake, and your continued support. Getting close to that 2 years. Getting real close there. No worries, dude. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's true. Grandbell says, I'm disappointed that my bongo is not animated in chat, but it is in Anthong's view. Oh, there's a setting in Twitch chat. You probably just turned off animated emotes. You can turn them back on, probably. That would probably work. Luons, welcome. What's dirty? What? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what that is. Drunk Time Lord. Vulnerability videos doing numbers. I mean, they are and they aren't. Sometimes they do really well. Sometimes they're just like, here's 100 views when you usually get 300 or 400. My what's it called? Log for Shell video did really well though. So maybe we'll do another one. I don't know. Very COVID sub, it's true. Man, the COVID sub numbers just keep ticking up, don't they? I went through my clips yesterday and cleaned out all of the like accidental clips that people made. I deleted like 500 clips where the title was the same as the title of the clip was the same as the video, so I just deleted any clip that didn't have a custom title, basically. And there's a lot. I watched a lot of clips. There's some funny stuff in there. But, you think you'll do a video on Code Wars? Nah, I mean, I occasionally play Clash of Code and binary search on stream, but I'd rather do it on other people's streams, to be honest. Because I mean, it's kind of fun, but at the same time, it's kind of grindy, and I feel unproductive while doing it. So that's the main reason I don't do it on stream all that often. Link list, hello, welcome. LC says, hello Anthony, just watched your introductory video for Python. Nice, cool. Easy Light's also here. Hello. Techie-chan says, what's the keyboard in the background? It is indeed the code v387 key as listed in the command. I really like this keyboard. It has very nice clears. I'm a big fan of them. They sound really nice. But it looks less cool on stream, so that's why we use the split keyboard. Excitebite, welcome back. Hello. Yes, yes, yes. And yes, I wonder if I see your face, does it give me hell? Is that what happens, spelled out this? um it's to see how you resolve code. Yeah, well, I don't know that the way that I solve code is super helpful for other people. And my advent of code content kind of covers the same idea. So you can just, you know, there's a ton of that on my YouTube channel. And yeah, that's kind of the same idea, at least. It's like algorithmic solvey stuff. Needs more thocky keep. I don't know what that is. I don't know what you mean. Knackle Eric, hello, hello. Thank you for the bits. All right, so let's do a little. Oops, that's the wrong button. Button's not working. Okay, there we go. So let's do a little bit of open source recap since yesterday, and it's literally just one thing that I did minutes before stream, I think. I don't think I did anything else. Yeah, no, we did this on stream yesterday. But Tofufu, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. This has been long deprecated in libsass Python. This sass-c collided with the other sass-c. No surprise there. So we renamed it to PySass-c back in 2016? 2017? 2017. And it's been deprecated since 2018. And I figure 4 years later I can finally remove it, right? It's long enough deprecation period. So, God, it's been 4 years. It's fucking insane. So I'm deleting some code. Why is there +1? Oh, because I removed, right. That's a modified line, not a deleted line. Why is this not done yet? macOS! The macOS builders are always backed up. That's why we only run one of them, because they're so fucking slow. But I guess I'll wait for it to complete before I merge it. But that's all I have updates since last time. And so close to 5K here. Anton, hello, hello, welcome back. And Haklylo. Haklylo? How the hell am I supposed to say your name? Welcome, welcome. Testing emotes, nothing to see here. I mean, I see the animated bongo tapping away as it does. It works. You probably just toggled the setting then. Okay, cool. So what we were doing last time is in pre-commit.ci we were working on adding GitLab support to the web thing. I don't remember how far we got. I think we had just gotten to the point where we were able to get a logged in session. And I think I downloaded the creds. Oh, we had a sample app. What was this? Yeah, so this was the webhook, which I don't think we started implementing yet. Scripts and secrets. What did I do here? Let's just scroll through the diff and see what I changed. ZPK, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you. Haklylo. Haklylo? Haklylo. Is that good? Haklylo? Haklylo. Something about those letters in a row just like really messes with my brain. Najdorf Grunfeld. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Grunfeld reminds me I have to do my chess puzzles today. Okay, so we added new creds. We changed how the session stuff works. There's slightly. Why are there more query vars here? Oh, right, because GitLab's OAuth 2 is different than GitHub's OAuth 2 for dumb reasons. We added new creds there. That's just cred stuff, more cred stuff, cred stuff, cred stuff, cred stuff. The session stuff. We changed how logout and session works. Yes. Okay, so we did not implement any of the webhook stuff. It's pronounced Nydorf? Oh. I see. Well, I don't know. I'm dumb, okay? Here we go. There's the right answer. I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Okay. So we need to implement this callback, and I don't remember how that works. I think we add a blueprint for GitHub. How do we do it here? Web blueprints, auth callback. Okay, yeah, that sounds like what we need. There's a lot more logic here. So I need web blueprints, GitLab, and figure out how I did this before. GitLab blueprint equals flask dot blueprint name dot split dot -1. Okay, interesting. Be nice if that were the default. I think I'll try to install Windows 11 on my gaming rig today, see how much will break. It should be pretty straightforward. Shouldn't work too bad. Don't worry, it's Thursday. It is indeed Tofu. You know, Tofu, every time I say your name, I'm reminded of Juicebox Heroes puppy. Let's see if we have a clip of Tofu. I'm pretty sure there is. Top all. Are you gonna start talking? Don't start talking. Oh, maybe I have the site muted? That's weird. It didn't start talking. Okay, anyway. Where is Tofu? Here we go. Here's a Tofu. Here's a Tofu clip. There's Tofu. There's Tofu. Anyway. That's what pops in my head every time, just in case you wanted to know. I've had Windows 11 since the first public insider build. It's been very stable free. Nice, nice. Yeah, they did a pretty significant refactor to make it work. Okay, so this is what I want as well. And the response is Werkzeug. Response. Yes. I feel honored. Yeah. I wonder if this still has pre-commit.ci set up on it. They had last time they had this like pull request that was open that just like continuously got bumped. Oh, they finally turned it off. Wow. Can you help keep this open source service alive? Please sponsor. What the fuck is this? Prod.download. Interesting name there. 3,252 closed. Jesus Christ, what the fuck? Why though? Yeah, this is just like a repository where somebody has set up a bot that has done 3,300 pull requests to itself, which is crazy. Laszlo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, I had to ban it from pre-commit.ci because it was taking way too long to clone. See if this one is updated or not. It hasn't been merged since July of 2021. Oh, I think this is still gonna get updates, but then immediately error. Anyway. Initialize, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Apologetic XOXO, welcome back. It's been a while. Good to see you again. How's your Thursday going? Are you done yet? Are you not done yet? Why have you not started yet? Annoying. Well, we let it run. Okay, so we need to auth callback, which is going to look very similar to this code here. Actually, it's probably exactly the same as this. If error in... These are the same error. This might not actually... I might have to check my logs. There's probably places where this is raised an assertion error. Bugsy Dbex, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so then we need to do the same thing here. But instead of GitHub API, we're going to use GitLab API. And instead of GitHub, it's GitLab. I know I'm spelling GitHub wrong here. I don't care. Questionable things. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. From web import GitLab API. Oh, I'm going to type that so many times. Tinker and Think! Thank you for the gift sub to 9570674182001321546. Is that like a credit? Did somebody make their username a credit card number? 20 characters. How many characters is a credit card number? 16. Although aren't there ones that are longer? They have Twitch Prime, so maybe they're not a bot. They've also made 10 messages in chat. What? Maybe they renamed their thing? What have they said in chat? 10 messages. Happy birthday, we missed you. Aw. They've received several. They've had 10 months of septum. Oh, I think this is no, I don't know who this is. Well, we can find one of their messages and figure out from the logs. Figure out who this was. Grab this logs. Kick369 apparently has changed their name. Google suggests it's a FedEx tracking them. It's funny. Yeah, I don't think it's a bot. It's this person. I guess they've changed their name. But welcome to Septum again. 957. Wait, is it actually a tracking number, or is it just happen to fit that dimension? Okay, it's not actually a tracking number. Weird. Wonder what they did. Wonder what happened there. Also, Alkalon, welcome back. Could be a SHA-1 of the name. It would have hex digits in it probably. And I don't think it is I don't think it has enough dimensionality to it. I don't know. They'll have to tell us in chat what it is. But welcome back to Subdom nonetheless. Okay. Anyway, what was I doing before I was distracted? Oh, did I give you your button? Yeah, I did. I did give you your button. Also, Zero. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Yeah, so we need to implement this code, which we did, but didn't finish it. Doomosaurus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Web GitLab API. So there's some error case here that we're not handling at the moment, but that's fine. App ID and app secrets. Tinkerthing says, guess it will be whatever we want it to be. That's true, it's true. And thank you again for the gift sub. Wait, you're not even subbed. You're just extremely generous. Thank you. Appreciate that. How do I do this? From web.iface import creds. Yes, okay. And then we need creds.thing. Creds.gitlab app. GitLab app client ID. Creds.gitlab app client secret. And creds.gitlab app redirect URI. Okay, that should in theory work. How does the error happen? Oh, I see. I see. We have this little request thingy thing. I wonder if GitLab uses the same pagination or not. But we can probably just... Well, we can probably figure out what the error code is going to be here. Let us do a break-a-point here. Need a json. $400 bad request. Okay. Where did I make that? Okay. Wonder why this is different than the GitHub one. Yeah, like why does this raise but the GitHub one does not? Weird. Dream of Dante, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Maybe this returns a 200. Not weird. Kind of weird. Hey, what's up, Mr. Singh? Hello, hello. Is it going to be part of GitLab Premium? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean, Mr. Singh. Hey, what's up, Liswine? Hello, hello. What do you mean? I don't know what GitLab Premium is. I don't know what you're talking about. Cowface, dude. Welcome, welcome. You. I have a notification. Shh. Quiet notification. Oh, I see what it is. I mean, the pre-commit.ci integration with GitLab, it could be a premium subscription exclusive thing. I think it's going to start. The hard part is I'm going to have to do my own payment processing because GitHub does that all for me. So I don't have to worry about it there. But on GitLab, I don't have the same luxury. So I'm going to figure something out there. Probably just going to use Stripe because I know how to set it up. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do there. Guys, dude says I really need to start coming here regularly. Well, we're always happy to have you. Okay, so I should add timeout to this. Timeout equals 10 just in case. That seems fine. Actually, I don't think I need prints here. This raises the error in the error. or the data in the error. Maybe I should do that. Maybe we don't need a special type here. We could just catch URL error. Is it url.error or url.errors? url.error. url.error.http error. Oh, this still says GitHub. I'm gonna need to make a fucking linter. Hang on. How would I do this? I think I need to grep GitLab and GitHub in the opposite one. I'm probably not gonna make a mistake that dumb, right? Okay, what else do we need to do here? We have the code. Oh boy. Hey, what's up, S1Cube? Hello, hello. The Pillow Streamer, welcome back. Good to see you again. Good to see both of you again. Okay, what's happening here? We get the user from the session. We make a session. We log out. Oh, then we use the URL. Okay, yeah. I think I need basically the same code. I think I need basically the same code. Web, blueprints, GitLab. But we don't have this. We don't have a concept of installs. I don't know how that's going to work. Let's not do this for now. Yeah. Date session. I don't remember what that does. User. URL UUID. Hey, what's up, John NV1? Hello, hello. Indeed, Alice, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday indeed. I have found a bug in Java. Nice, nice, nice. Reader serializer. Where do you come from? Here. Reader serializer. Okay. In theory, that will let us log in. See what update session does. I think it puts the repositories into the session, which we do need. Yeah, we do need that. What's the problem with GitHub versus GitLab for pre-commit.ci? GitLab has a less capable API and resources that are needed. Yeah, GitLab fucking sucks is the TLDR. Hey, what's up, Red Sky One? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. And Jazz Lucy's also here. And Wholesome Thought. Welcome, welcome. The whole crew's here. I think MyPie's gonna complain about this line, probably. Repos, repo, update session. What do you do? Grab the session ID. The retrieve the access token. Okay, yeah, this lists all the private repos. Does the session know what type it is? User. Dolls token inc. Okay, it's in the index key, but it's not part of the actual data. So that's kind of annoying. I think we're gonna put it into. We're gonna put the service into here as well. To do handle service here. It's almost like past me new, and I would run into this. We should get more emotes. I have a bunch of slots. I really just need ideas. Wait, I just got a Twitch achievement. What is this achievement? That's crazy. Stream for 2,000 hours. Jesus. God damn. That's quite a few hours. I still haven't gotten 50 people to talk in chat. This is kind of wild. There's 90 of you here. Do you think you could all say hi so I can get this achievement? What country is in? I am in the United States. Although sometimes I say Canadian things. XX Shell says, who cares if you write code? I mean, I don't know. I'll talk then, says Momentary Orchard. Welcome, welcome. AWC derp when he leaks any secret again? Yeah. Hey, look at that. We're all saying hi. What state? I'm in Michigan at the moment. 19 hours of just chatting and 100 hours of software and game dev. Hey now. Kenshi, hello, hello. TomXOO. Oh man, you guys are actually maybe going to do this. Wake up, lurkers. Yeah. Boinks type. Hello, hello. Crazy Ivan. Welcome, welcome. Optimus Broom. Welcome to the stream. All the lurkers are coming out today. 126k watch hours. Yeah, this is kind of nuts too. Some of these are kind of nuts. Midwest, we export farm products and code projects. I mean, kind of. We usually export workers too. But yeah, I guess these are the only achievements I don't have on Twitch. Hey, what's up, P. Sanders? Hello, hello. But admittedly, like, I guess this one unlocks more VIPs, so it's kind of worth it too. Crazy Ivan's also in Michigan. Nice, nice. Yeah, my job's a little complicated right now. I currently work at Stripe, but I'm leaving Stripe in a few weeks to work at Sentry, where I am going to be a staff software engineer building out developer productivity or developer experience. I don't know what we're going to call it yet, one of the two. But I like either of the names, so as much as, you know, slapping experience slapping experience on the end of a team name is a little silly. Okay, how much do they pay you? I actually have a video that's coming out pretty soon on my YouTube channel where I answer that question. I need to watch it to make sure I don't look too presumptuous, too posh, or too privileged. But that was quite the freeze frame. But I basically, the premise of the video is I walk through this website, levels.fyi, which is a useful tool for figuring out how much people make at various companies. And you can, for instance, type in Stripe here and click staff engineer, which is what I am. And this is accurate. That's like spot on what I make at Stripe. Jane M, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, Sentry.io. Yeah. Tiger says, how is it working at Stripe? I can't speak about that honestly until a few weeks from now. Gookabus says, what does a developer productivity experience guide do? So it's kind of like an infrastructure team that's focused on making developers productive. So I build tools and infrastructure that make other people better at their jobs. So I don't produce products, but I make it so other people produce products faster. Hey, what's up, Axe? Hello. What is Stripe? Stripe is a payments company. Well, that's one of their products. They have 50 plus products now. So Poyo Gaming says that actually sounds like something I really enjoy. Yeah, so the funny thing about developer productivity for me is I didn't start there at all. I started as a front-end developer. I started as a front-end developer writing JavaScript. As a front-end developer, I found that I couldn't get my job done unless I had a back-end developer writing APIs for me and like doing all of the back-endy stuff. And so I was constantly blocked on like, oh, well, I need an API to render this component or whatever. So I was like, fuck that. I'm gonna be a back-end developer as well as a front-end developer and do kind of full stack development so that I could unblock myself. And you know, that at least got past that first hurdle. And then I realized as a full stack developer, like, man, infra is a pain in my ass. Like, it's hard for me to get my job done without waiting on all these like builds and deploys and all this other shit. And you know, I keep making mistakes and like code quality isn't a thing and blah blah blah. So I went to the CTO at Yelp at the time and was like, yo, I want to build a team that builds infra for developers. It was like before DevX was really an idea. Our pitch was to build a web frameworks team and use that as a way to build developer tooling. So we built out that team, and it was very successful at Yelp, and eventually became the developer excellence, engineering excellence, something like that organization. But that was where I realized, like, man, I don't want to twiddle pixels. I'd rather build stuff for other developers and, you know, build infrastructure rather than building features. And I've been doing developer productivity ever since then. It's about 2016, 2017-ish. No, 2015-ish. Yeah, so it's been about, I've been doing this for about 7 years. Doing developer productivity for about 7 years. I've been writing software for like 20. I've been in industry for 12-ish years if you include like internships. If you don't include internships, it's like 8, something like that. How old are you? Okay, I answered this question if you guess how old I am first. Although I kind of just gave a lot of the information away. What's your hours work per day like? Pretty normal day, 8 or 9 or 10 hours. Did we unlock the 50 chatters? I don't think we did. Unfortunately. 55, man. Some of you already know the answer. Wow, you're all going high today. Damn. Now I feel real fucking old. I'm 30. I'm exactly 30. 7, yeah. The age guessing might help unlock the achievement, yeah. No more GitLab? No, we're working on GitLab today, Ormus. Tigress, hello, hello. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. My money is 39 to 41. Jesus. I was coding at age 10, yeah. Why did you remove the age command? I never had an age command. Stick says, goddamn, I need to move to a Fang-like company. 500k for even a couple years would leave me set. So the thing is, like, you can get this money at not Fang-like companies. For instance, I don't think Lyft is Fang-like, and you look at Lyft here. Did I add Lyft here? Oh, must have misclicked. Oh. You look at Lyft here. This was my about accurate. I had a little bit more stock because I had pre-IPO stock, but Lyft, I wouldn't say Lyft is Fang-like. They're pretty big now, but you don't necessarily have to work at Google to make that much money. In fact, I make more than I would at Google. Microsoft is a little bit fiddly. I think this is the level at Microsoft. Yeah, you make way less at Microsoft. You don't even have salary data for these ones. But yeah, I make more money than I would at Fang, so fuck it. Warrior Gaming says, depends where you are physically. Slightly younger than me. It does and it doesn't depend on physicality. So like, I'm in Michigan, so I have like technically the reduced rate compared to SF, Seattle, New York, etc. I'm not comfortable with your name, but thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. So you're a millionaire. I mean, how would I not be given that salary? And I thought SecOps made decent money. I need to switch careers. So the thing about SecOps is it's really popular right now for some reason, and I feel like the demand isn't there. So that adjusts the take home relative to that. Paramount, thank you for the follow. And Poyer Gaming, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Doesn't Microsoft let you fully work from home? I don't work at Microsoft, but I also don't go into an office. I'm entirely fully remote, so just go to a hedge fund or something. I don't really want to suck I don't want my soul sucked, Mr. Singh. And I already worked at Stripe. Newbie says, thanks for creating useful tools. I use pre-commit in all my projects and recommend them to other developers. Nice, awesome. But what if you want to make that much money and hardly work? Then you need Google, right? Yeah, that's true. That's true. Put in a good word for me at Sentry. Yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Because the range of salaries is so high, I find it hard to name an appropriate salary for my experience. Yeah, what I do is I just name big number, and if they, name a number that you can, that's high enough that you don't laugh at it, and see what they do. That's my recommendation for negotiating. And sometimes it just works out, which is nuts. To be fair, it's American versus non-American too when it comes to locale. Yeah, that's true. International salaries are a little bit different, but you can select locale on levels. Ender, hello, hello. Yeah, I can go egg Teige's house. It's true. Although Teige lives kind of far away. I think it's like a couple hour drive. It was in high demand a decade ago. Now it's trickling back to normal levels. Yeah, it's because like every script kiddie wanted to be a security engineer in like mid 2000s, and it's like, yeah, 3 hours from Teige. Yeah. How many yachts did you? I don't have any yachts. I'm still renting. I don't even own a house. Like, I'm not like rich. I'm upper middle class, but I'm not rich. Because I had to pay California cost of living for how many years, and I'm not part of the 1%. Not by a long shot. But so we need more hackers? No, I don't think we need more hackers. We don't need more script kiddies. Honest question, what's the difference between Stripe and PayPal? That's a good question. I don't know a specific answer to it. I know they compete on some fronts, but Stripe is more business oriented than PayPal is. But they can solve some of the same constraints. Stripe also has a lot of other related payment processing things. Like, they're not just a payments company. There's also, you know, tax related things and other shit that I don't really know about. But questionable things. Thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate that. $100 million? No, I don't have. I'm nowhere near that. You excited to start the new place? Yeah, I'm really excited for my next job. It's gonna be good. Oh, yo, you mean first saying a seller? Yeah. Say big number and then bisect from there. Yeah, exactly. When you interview, do you promote all the open source work and content you've created? I imagine any hiring manager who saw your work would hire you on the spot. I do try and talk about it, but some people just like don't give a shit. Which, I mean, teach their own. You know, I put a lot of effort. I'm very proud of my YouTube and Twitch stream. Like, I really enjoy doing this with you guys and chatting and, you know, building cool software in front of people. I think that's really cool. I'm really excited on that. But, you know, sometimes when I talk to other people, they're like, "Yeah, I have a Twitch stream where I write code," and they're like, "You write code? That's fucking weird. Why would you do that?" And or sometimes they're just like, "Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, you're just every, you know, 20 to 30-year-old white dude that has their own podcast." I'm like, no, it's not quite like that, but collab stream, you on Neovim, Teach on Babby, and then Typeracer. That would be wild. What is Teach's typing speed? Do I have him beat? Do women throw themselves at you because you're rich? I don't really advertise that I have money. Broccoli, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Actually, probably closer to the 1% than you think. I mean, I know that I am upper middle class, but I know that I'm not rich. 500K in the Bay Area is like right in the thick of middle class. Yeah, exactly. Part of the 5%. Yeah, maybe that's accurate. Ducci, hello. I bet you're saving so much money on rent. So I'm actually in a fairly expensive rent for the area here. But yeah, I am saving money on rent compared to being in the Bay Area. But the other like cost savings by moving out of the Bay Area is not just rent, but also like every other cost. You know, like groceries or like takeout. All of those things are kind of locationally adjusted. So like it's not just rent, although rent is probably the largest component of recurring monthly costs, so to speak. I missed the news. Where are you going? I'm going to Sentry.io. I didn't realize how ambiguous the name is, because everyone's like Century, where there's like a hedge fund called Sentry also. But I'm going to Sentry. They build application monitoring, error reporting software for the most part. And they are entirely open source, which means I might be able to stream some of it, which would be really cool. I haven't really talked to anybody about that yet, but that would be really cool. But I'm going to be building out a developer productivity organization because they kind of have none of it-ish right now. They have like per team stuff, and like they had a team that kind of did this, but yeah. But yeah, Momentary Orchard says, I really enjoy your stream too. Nice, awesome. I love being here. I learned so much. Nice, nice. I just expect in some moment that you start creating tools for machine learning. I don't want to do machine learning. Do you think closed source is evil? No. I think closed source is necessary for a lot of stuff. I mean, this is closed source. Closed source in that, like, I don't actively show the code, but we work on it on stream because I don't really care about showing the code. It's more that I'm slightly embarrassed by some of the things that it does, and I don't really want people sending pull requests to it. But yeah, no, I think closed source is necessary in some cases, and yeah. I love his energy. I have a bro crush. Oh, here we go. I'm very surprised employers have balked at your work. Don't know what they're missing. Yeah, I don't know, or they don't care, I guess. To be honest, I don't watch any other podcasts or anything other than your Twitch and some conference talks on YouTube. Nice. I occasionally do podcasts, not my own, but other people's. You're upper class? I'm not. 1% in the world, maybe that's true. Although if you go just by holdings, like any billionaire has more than 1% of global GDP. So I don't quite know. It depends on how it works out. Tax must be high too? Yeah. But taxes are good. I think taxes are good. Even if I'm spending a shit ton of money on taxes, like I think they are a necessary part of society. I actually think taxes should be higher, but rent's by far my biggest expense, very annoying. Yeah, I think it would be nice to own a house, and that way I'm not pissing away money and instead investing in myself, but I'm gonna be trying to do that this year maybe. Fwen, thank you for the follow. Welcome. You're considered rich? I don't think that's really true, but sure. We'll love co-working streams. Yeah, I don't know how they're gonna work. I've never done a co-working stream before, but where'd it go? Oh, did Senpaz change the theme? Wait, do we have any open? Could not parse theme. Oh no. Why didn't it parse? 10 point scammed. Let's see if it's a bug. Let's see if it is a bug. This looks fine. Oh. Yeah, this isn't valid JSON. This isn't valid JSON, so that's why it didn't work. We could make it filter out lines that start with // although other inline comments aren't going to work either. Why is there just a random backslash on this dot here? What? Yeah, that's why it didn't work. VS Code scammed me? Yeah, VS Code scammed you. Why are you not applying for manga companies? Because I don't want to work at big companies. And you're just a cog in a machine at a large company. Even at Stripe, I was just a cog in the machine. And I'd be even more of a cog in the machine at Google or whatever the fuck else. I wish I could stream my work too, but I work in a corporate company, so lots of stuff is client confidential. Yeah, exactly. You were 1% in my heart. Okay, let's see what this theme would look like. The fuck? Config babby theme. Not json. Let's see if it breaks the editor. He killed user one babby. Yep. This kills the editor. Yeah, so it probably also has trailing commas too. Oh well. We tried. This kills the editor. Hope I didn't have anything important open. I should probably make theme loading not crash like that. How would that work? The problem is this doesn't have access to the stuff to say that the theme failed to load. Really what should happen is the theme loading should happen here and it should get passed in. That'd be a pretty big refactor. Should I make a command that lets you test the theme before you spend your channel points? That way you guys don't get scammed. What kind of stuff are you gonna be working at your new job? Developer productivity stuff. I don't know yet. We're gonna figure out what's broken and then fix it. Essentially, VS Code scanned you. Yeah. Should we add a command for that? Can you refund, please? Okay, I will refund. Cause you didn't know, but review requests. This one. Reject, complete. Okay, there you go. You got your points back. Turns out it's not a bug in Java. I'm just bad at regex. Cyberbenny says not supporting comments in your JSON parser. Well, JSON doesn't have comments. So, right. Also, welcome back, Cyberbenny. It's been a while. Kensa Dev says, are you looking for a job? No, I am starting a new job in a couple weeks, which is gonna be awesome. Generic co-working stream, have a clacky keyboard, some lo-fi music, and a Pomodoro timer. Pomodoro is so cringe though. So cringe. Hey, what's up, the Joker? Hello, hello. How about a job that will let you stream your work? Yeah, that's maybe what's going to happen. We'll see. Picture Jake says, I'm going to be a cog at my next company. Talking team, they were great to talk to, so hopefully that helps. But I'm sure in 2 years or so I'll be ready to move to a small company. Yeah, exactly. How to become good with regex? Practice? It's also not that hard. I have a pretty good video about regular expressions. Yeah. Check out this video. I think it's pretty good. It gives you kind of the basics that you need. Like, it's not too complicated. But do you think that mentorship for junior developers are more or less common in big versus small companies, or do you think it's simply luck of the draw? I've only been at companies that are over 100 employees, and it's been about the same levels of mentorship at both of those, or at any of those. I can't really speak to smaller than that, but I think it is an important part of it's an important part of work culture, I think. I read somewhere that this weird blue is actually good for the eyes. Huh. Have you said json like in that interview? What do you mean? Oh, have I memed json in an interview? Absolutely. Yeah. So the thing to understand about me, chat, is the person that you see on stream is basically what I am in real life, except I talk a little bit less. I make the same stupid jokes. Chico Codes can confirm, right? I know you in real life. I'm basically the same person, I just talk less. So yeah, I say all the same stupid shit that I say to stream. Did you save? No, I didn't save. So whatever we lost is, yeah, whatever. It happens. Optional group references are annoying. Oh yeah, this is a problem in Python too. Python as well. And it changed between versions. Like some versions it's an empty string and some versions it's none, and it's really annoying. Really annoying. The stream you rated yesterday got wild? Oh, did we rate Teach yesterday? I forget who we rated. Somebody. You just add a comment key and ignore them. Yeah, that would be how you would fix it. We could also improve the parser to support comments. I don't know how to do that though. Babby, what is it called? We're in the wrong repo. It's like, why is there no plugins here? Bot, plugins, Babby theme. So we already have like a thing that's supposed to partially parse. Wait, isn't this supposed to remove comments? Yeah, wait, this is supposed to handle JSON with comments. Why did it not work? Maybe it's JSON with comments and trailing commas. Maybe it doesn't know about trailing commas. So we would have to probably teach this thing how to handle trailing commas. Which I don't know how that would work. Bella says, how do you deal with cases when you work with people that have a big ego in the sense that they stick to their opinion? Well, I mean, I struggle from that sometimes. I don't like being wrong. I don't know, it's tough. You kind of have two approaches. You convince them through words, or you convince them through management. Or the thing that I hate, which is disagree and commit. Decide what's best for the company and that fucking bullshit. RDBZM, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Or is it third way? Yeah, third way is quit. What's up, Color Marku? Hello, hello. Iron Monk says, why is it type defined for a few attributes but not for all of them? What do you mean? What were we looking at? I don't know what we were looking at. Were we looking at the theme? Maybe? In here? These have types for all of them. These are all the attributes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Chico Code says can confirm. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Stark says, does it censor bad words? Does what censor bad words? No. You can put whatever the fuck you want in here. I can say the same about myself. Nice. First time I heard you saying json, I was a bit confused that I understood. Yeah. From experience, the majority of smaller companies I've worked for don't do much mentoring / coaching because there's little opportunity for it in places I've worked. But I can't say the same for every organization. Yeah, I think that's fair. I definitely think like there's more focus on it in the larger the company gets. But there's still opportunities for it at any size. Even just from things like code review. But yeah, there are trailing comments too. Yeah, that's probably what needs to happen. Let's see. Trailing comma JSON parser Python. There's probably some amount of code that you can use to filter them out. Strip commas before you pass them in. Oh yeah, this would work. This actually wouldn't be too bad. I think this is not quite correct though. Yeah, because it'll mangle inputs inside strings. Don't use regular expressions. I think I know this person. Their handle seems familiar. Ugh. That package isn't very good. Yeah, they all have that same problem. Which we kind of worked around with our little thing here, I think. our little thing. Yeah, so we have tokenization, so we can know whether we're in a string or not. And kind of do it that way. Maybe. We'll see. Staffing doesn't allow extra time for stuff like that. Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. Like machine learning? Oh no. Oh no. Dealing with egos, defer to management decisions, shrug it off, and move forward. It sucks, but it's the real world. Yeah, I agree with that. Also, hello again, RWXM. The third way is quit. Yeah. The third way is what I did in my old job. Yeah. I think the only way you can convince people like that is through numbers, for example, performance. Yeah, but some things are not possible to do as data driven. Has anyone encountered anyone that says URL as URL? Yes. Or URIs. URIs and URLs. I don't like either of those. I also don't have the time to spell out uniform resource indicator. So I just say URL. Then there's SQL and SQL, and I go back and forth on that one. We can add an external JSON parser with first trailing commas and comments. I'd rather just make this tokenization thing better. And I think we can do this. Because we know whether it's in a string or not based on this. Yeah, because this matches escape sequence, escape double quote, and double quote. Like we already have a little state machine. I think this is valid. Not 100% sure, but yeah. Welcome to the stream, Crazy Ivan. Hey, what's up, RKJ? Hello. It's you again? Yeah, it is me again. I think the important thing is to keep yourself from becoming opinionated like they have. Try to approach the problem from the perspective and use empathy to see if you can convince yourself. If still not, then say that performance isn't good. Yeah. I don't know. I think being opinionated is helpful as long as you can back up your opinions with data and evidence. Like opinions for no reason is stupid. And like I will admit that I have some stupid opinions that have no data behind them. But I also have a lot of them that are, you know, well evidenced. But yeah, regular expressions, yes, indeed. Also, welcome back, Chaco to Cove. Good to see you again. Thanks for the insights. Yeah, no problem. My name is Earl. It was a great show. I see. I get it. Hey, what's up, Python or CP? Welcome back, Ezekiel. Good to see you again. I'm doing well. Let's debate GIF. No, we're not going to talk about the graphics interchange format. You could use walrus in the while loop. Yeah, I could, but I didn't. Also, I couldn't because this supports 3.7. Everyone is wrong sometimes. Are they though? People have preferred programming languages for no other reason other than they like working in it. I think that's true, yeah. But also, there's some languages that have tools that are better than others. You both know that I love this joke. This is like my favorite fucking joke. Let's get real here. VI versus Emacs. No. The answer is no. Wonderlab, hello. Yif, oh no. Snow doggo, is this how much snow did you get? Oh, not too much snow. There's pseudo. I like peanut butter. Peanut butter is great. Hey, what's up, Snipe Bunny? Hello. Okay, what was I doing? Are we fixing this JSON parser or are we working in GitLab? What do you want, chat? Do people actually pronounce it Yif? There's no way. Fix JSON parser? Hey, what's up, Sarcastic Dante? Hello. It's still falling. Oh, I see. Okay, fix the JSON parser. Okay, so we have a tokenizer right now. How does this work? If not in comment. Oh, so this is... Ugh. Okay, let's make some test cases. Actually, we have test cases for this somewhere, right? Maybe? Insert JSON with comments. Okay, just get something going. So I have 1 hour and 30 minutes until I have to do stuff. Dr. Flurry here in Illinois? Nice. Yeef. I pronounce it GIF because there's a town nearby called GIF and it's pronounced GIF. Oh, I see. Jeff? Yeah, pronounce it .jeff. Should TM themes work? Yeah, they should. Yeah. plist files, XML files, yeah, those will work. You like Switch and good work. You may watch this. Maybe I'll watch it later. You work out every day. Every day. Every day I try and work out. I've been... So usually when it's warm out, I will bike outside. Wait, Rachel wrote an article because of you, RKJ? I used to work with Rachel. Rachel's amazing. Yeah, Rachel also uses Nano. Yeah, I worked with her at Lyft. She was great. The company was not nice to her. Snipe Bunny, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, I usually bike outside when I get the chance. Here's Sunpause's theme. But when it's cold, I usually do indoor cycling or I've gotten a stepper recently, which I do a lot of stepper stuff. Stepper's pretty nice. I've also been lifting a lot recently and doing just kind of like body weight stuff, like pull-ups, push-ups, that sort of thing. But yeah, I try and do a little bit of workout every day. I also I started lifting. Well, I hadn't really lifted in a long time, but I started lifting when builds were slow. So whenever I was waiting on like a test run or something else like that, I would just, you know, pick up weights for 30 seconds or so. You'd be surprised how quickly you get ripped just from oh, build slow, let's go pick up some weights. I followed your blog since you mentioned it a while ago. Oh, nice. Adrian, hello, welcome. Sheps Almighty, welcome back. How's it going? My feed watcher started airing recently and she just published that. Oh no. Is this about if modified and head requests? Yeah. Just saying cache and don't is this somebody like scraping her RSS feed over and over? Oh, yeah. But yeah, let's see. Rachel by the Bay Nano. Yeah, texters through the years and my little secret. She uses Nano with no syntax highlighting, which is amazing. But yeah, exactly. Exactly. But yeah, Rachel's great. Uh, Interesting. It's not that bright here as in my VS Code, but still okay. So the thing is, Twitch will change the colors a little bit just from video encoding. You started lifting after they made you work with Java? Yeah, exactly. What was Lyft like in general? Always interested to get an inside scoop on these big companies. I mean, Lyft wasn't that big. I don't know. It's fairly straightforward. I bet you have a perky cycling booty. Interesting phrase there. You're looking to get bonked. Last night my girlfriend dressed as a police officer and wanted to arrest me for being so good in bed. After 2 minutes, I was free of all charge. That's funny. No need to inflate your time just to impress us in the safe space. Yeah. It's weird that this is highlighted yellow. I don't really like that, but otherwise this theme's alright. Comments are a little subtle. Ooh, that was weird. It like flickered. Okay, so what was I doing here? We need to test our existing cases. So like oh, these need to be byte strings. Also, we're missing the token. Byte string. JSON with comments. What? What? Oh, does it make an assumption that wait, our basic case doesn't work? Why not? Probably because the never matches? Yeah, so we need another case here. If not match, bio.write s. Okay. Okay, so we found a bug already. Not that there will be an empty theme, but there's a bug there. This is going to my funny jokes collection. What are we working on today? We were working on GitLab stuff, but now we're trying to make a JSON with trailing commas parser. Yeah. Oh, I think we can just do comma white space plus or white space star and then curly brace or bracket. Oh, does that not work like that? Do I need to escape this? I think I can do this. Oh, we should write test before doing this. Okay, let's do trailing comma with the comment. Ass. Oops. Make this string a little fucky as well. Make sure that we don't screw this up. Yeah, it's a fancy theme. Probably need .all to match newline. Yeah, probably. But we'll write a test and validate it first. Netrider, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Also, it could have comments in it, so that's going to be an issue as well. Yeah, like we need to be able to find this match. So we'll start with a failing test. We should probably start with a simpler failing test first. I'll start with a simple test first. Yeah. Okay, fails as expected. And then we want to do, if not in comment, if in string, do this. Otherwise, oh, it's gonna be really tricky when we have a comment, isn't it? We might need to do 2 passes. Yeah, I think we need to do 2 passes. One to remove comments and then one to remove trailing commas. We can probably make another token type for squackets and curlies. Why are we making JSON with comments? Is JSON 5 not basically that? JSON 5 has different interpretation of stuff. Not quite gonna work. How you doing, James Boyd? Connor Mercury is gonna go catch a meeting. Sounds good. See you around. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, I think we need to basically do the same thing that we did here again. Try that. S equals bio.getValue. think these are the tokens we care about. We don't even care about the common token. We just care about these tokens. Maybe we make two functions. Remove comments. Maybe it should return the bytes IO. Yeah. Snipe Bunny, thank you for the bits. Appreciate that. Is this for the broken ass comments to make JSON themes? JSON themes? Yes. Themes, yes. Thank you, Senpais. Not making one giant regex? I think it wouldn't really work. I don't think a giant regex would work here. Did you? Do you? What is the new theme? What is the new theme, details? Is it going to work? Is it going to crash? Need to do that? We need to do if in string. We need more logic here. Figure that out. This. Yeah, I totally missed that joke. What was the joke? Oh, I see. You turned on Vim mode. I see. I understand. Okay. I missed it. Yep. Whoosh. I just got whooshed super hard. You fucking got me, chat. Radiant G Day says, can Babby do linter stuff? Not at the moment. But it will eventually have that. Actually, I think we implemented all the prerequisites for it now that it has reloading. So I might do that in a couple streams. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow. No. Yeah, because all I really wanted it to be able to do is reload, and now that it can, we can add a lint command. Man, AWS sends me so much fucking spam, and I can't opt out of it because then I don't get the actual emails that I need from them. They send me like, join our workshop like every fucking day. Why you do this? I can barely breathe. I'm laughing so hard because I fucked up from that. It's up the double kid. Hello, hello. Thanks for the lurk. Maybe another flashbang. I mean, Vim is basically a flashbang, right? Oh, I'm free from Vim. I feel like I scammed you, so we're gonna use Vim a little bit. Okay, so we have our regular expression, which is going to block on a few tokens. Backslash. Quote, double quote, escaped quote, quote. Curry, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Are you using black? No. Nope. We don't use black here. I think you don't know who you're talking to, right, Chite, but maybe take a look at the things that I maintain in the description before you tell me how to format my code. Mike Plins, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. So we need to figure out whether we're in string or not, which I think is really just this check. Yeah. something trap card, yeah. Also take a look at the package called isort. Yeah. You really don't know where you're at. Oops, that's not the right video. But yeah, I actually work with the guy who made isort, so I think you might be a little out of your depth. Take a look at a package called isort. Yeah. Have you heard of reorder Python imports? It was made by a guy with a weird keyboard. It's true. It's true, Chico Codes. That guy's got a real fucking weird keyboard. Okay, so if toke is equal to double quote, then in string is true. I think we just want to not do this up here. bio.write s idx colon match.start. Elif. Oh, wait. We need to say it's a toggle. Otherwise, if we're in a string and we get a token, we always want to write it. The bot is an AI. Yep. I possibly have a link to reorder Python imports. Yeah, it's literally called reorder Python imports. Need also linked to PyPI for you. It's also linked in the video that I linked above. Poyer Gaming says, I did a deep dive on Python recently for a job prospect. Nice. James Boy, you're 14th. That's crazy. What is our top 10 chat? Did somebody just do it a second ago? No, that's top Vim bits. Marker J, you're 19th. Nice, nice. Okay, so if we're in a string, we do that. Otherwise, if we get a squacket or curly brace, Then we need to do our replacement. Oops. I think that's it. Oh, this assumes that we end with the token, I think. Which is correct, I think. Wasn't there a way to get a graph? Yeah, if you do chat plot. Hey, what's up, iSatisfied? Hello, hello. Number 11. Whoa, you're just outside of the top 10. Just barely. My bot is first. Marsha is second and third. From Time Lord, D-Delsp, Bildothis, Juicebox Hero, me, Solus, and then Tubeworm. Tubeworm hasn't been in the stream for a while. Just need to get Marsha, merge her names, and then I'm up to number 4. It's true, it's true. Yeah, the chat plot's pretty good. I feel like everyone's line is kind of flattening out. I guess the longer that they attend the stream, the more flat the line is going to be, just based on the way that the calculation is done. Oh, this finally finished. Wow. Took a while. Took a while. Is yours not flattening out, D-Delsp? Are you upward trending? You are upward trending. Wow, look at that. Fancy. Also, I'm surprised how I thought you were here before this, but I guess you've just been ever present. That one dot at 140? Yeah. This is probably like a 12-hour stream. Or I don't know, something else. Yeah, you need at least 2 days momentary orchard, otherwise it won't do that. I assume those quick charts get disposed of at some point? I don't know. I don't have an API key. They haven't shut me down yet. Ooh. Chica codes. Took like a year off. But welcome back. I guess this was, oh, you know what it was? This is when I streamed during the day. Yeah. And then I had a job. And now I'm streaming during the day again. That makes sense. Was that when the Pokemon Twitch chat controls your game stream? Maybe it could have been that. Yeah. Could have been that stream. Okay. I think this will work. Oh, I did the thing again. Let's try this, see what happens. In string requires string is left operand, not bytes. Yeah. Also, I forgot to. Oh wait, can we have a raw byte string? Is that a thing? Yeah. Or we can have a Brazilian string. Is that a thing? Yeah, we'll have a Brazilian string instead of that. Oh, but Vim doesn't know how to highlight it. Oh, we have French strings and Brazilian strings. Transylvania boy, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Oh, I actually wrote this regex already and didn't even know it. Oh, we already have Brazilian strings up here too. Okay. Stupid. Invalid escape. Hmm. Maybe my RE sub didn't work properly. Oh yeah, I have these backwards. Expecting comma delimiter. Oh no. Oh, you know what it's supposed to be? This is what I want. Oh, I meant to do star. There we go. Yeah, I don't even need multi-line. Well, that clearly fucked up. Let's see what we got there. Yeah, it removed the commas here, and then it removed the square bracket there. That's really strange. Okay. Well, let's look at our test and figure out, let's debug it. Okay, so our first match is at character 2, so it should be... Oh, my input string is just garbage. No? Oh, this... Right, if it doesn't end in a new line, it's fucked up. So we need to do... Need to do this at the end. Okay, so now it's broken for a different reason. Due to my state machine, it looks like. Let's just do this real quick, see what it does. Okay. You were at 1, 2. And 1, 2. Are these off by 1, maybe? Oh, from character 1 to character 2. Yeah, so that's this here. And then we matched this, and instring was false? Uh oh. Little. Little. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so that test passes now. Invalid \escape is a weird thing to print in an error message. I actually think it looks better that way. Vim discriminates Brazilian strings? Yeah, they do. Dicks. What is that emo? Hbox think. Nice. The snow we're getting is almost perfect. It's falling slow enough that it's not accumulating on the pavement, so it's beautiful outside, off the road, and the road is just wet. Nice, nice. That's pretty good. NL says, maybe a LinkedIn Python skill test would be a fun idea for a video. I already did it on stream once. The LinkedIn Python test is garbage. There's just so much bad stuff in it. We spent most of the video complaining about the test rather than the actual thing. See if it's on YouTube. I mean, it is on YouTube. Let's see if I can find it on YouTube. Anthony writes code LinkedIn test. Let's see if it's gonna be a replay video. I don't know how I would find it. But yeah, we did one already. I don't remember when we did that, but some video on YouTube. But yeah, it was kind of entertaining. What do I do if I have requirements to text file with libraries X, Y, and Z, but X needs to actually be installed before B and C? You should throw your computer away and stop using X because B and C are broken. Things should not depend on install order. Are annotations a must in coding? I put them on everything. You don't need them, technically. My Yusuf Coder, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I guess a more reasonable answer to your question, Drupa, is to have 2 requirements files that you install in stages, which is sort of busted. It's gonna suck, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass. I would try and figure out a way to not require ordering in installation, because pip doesn't really tell you that, but it doesn't give you a thing for that. Kanan Jarrus, hello, welcome back. 2:50 a.m. Nice. You're pushing code at 2:50 a.m. That sounds like a bad idea. That sounds like a bad idea. Okay. Test removes non-inline trailing comma. Oops, this is supposed to be a comma. Yeah, I mean, that seems fine. That seems fine. I remember you had plans to recreate a pip-like command line to install packages. I have not started on that. I might not ever do it. Throwing out your computer is such a dev meme. Yeah. Is today a 24-hour stream to get GitLab working? Actually, today's gonna be a short stream because I have stuff to do. Also, I think someone just knocked on my door. So let me go check that. I hope we don't have to end now because that would be like an hour earlier than I expect. But I will be right back. I'm also gonna fill up my water at the same time. So we're just gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I'll see you in a sec. Okay, mystery solved. So I told you guys earlier in the week that I had like a delivery that I had no idea what it was. Turns out I had ordered this shirt like months ago, and it has finally shown up. It is a very subtly Pokemon themed. Oh right, I owe you guys a button. Button down shirt. This one is Zapdos themed, and I guess it delivered today. So that's what I was picking up. I got some new drip. Got some new drip. Quinstar, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yes, I just unboxed it quickly and put it on for y'all in stream. So you can see my new codes, my new shirts. Yeah, MyPC compiles typed code into C extensions. Yeah, it makes it go super speedy. Very early stage. Yeah, MyPy and Black are both using it. Linge! Thank you for the resub at 7 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Froix, welcome to the stream. Stripe is on a yellow page and apparently gets into crypto payments. I guess we know why Anthony's leaving. Yeah, that was another reason that I was leaving, but I didn't really talk about that. Hey, what's up, Parser? Hello, hello. Did you change shirts? I did. I just picked up this shirt just got delivered. It's a Zapdos shirt. It's a Pokemon shirt. They were out of Umbreon, so I didn't get Umbreon. The Umbreon looked cool too. Wise Carp, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, otherwise I would have ripped the stream. Also, they don't have shinies, so yeah. Team Instinct. I actually was not Team Instinct. Oh boy. Changelog for Dependabot. No thanks. Change your changelog so external service that I don't use can support it. No? No thanks? Do you already talk about why you're leaving, or are you keeping that private? I talked a little bit about it on the other stream. My team basically got canceled and turned into the Java team, and I think my skills are super wasted working on that, and I'm not too excited about working on that. You know, I was hired to work on Python, and it's been continuously communicated that Stripe just doesn't give a fuck about Python, and I don't give a fuck about Stripe then. Considered a no, yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay, let's integrate this into the chatbot. And then we can try the broken theme that, well, quote unquote broken theme. Bot, let's see. Bot plugins. Baby theme. We get these functions. We should really test the safeish plist loads thing too, since the behavior of that is kind of important. To not get wrecked, not get owned. This has tests, right? Right? Yes. And there are warnings in async LRU. And we're on the latest version. Well, that sucks. Nothing we can do about that, I guess. Test. From bot.plugins import oh god, what happened? Oh. I had my hands on the wrong arrow keys. I was like, oh no! What happened? Losing my mind. Okay. Care to share which companies you applied to and why, or was it just Century and you got in anyways? I only applied to 2 companies. I mean, admittedly, Century reached out to me, so yeah. I also applied to another company, which I'm not gonna name, because I walked out of their interview process because I was unhappy with one of the individuals that I spoke with, who was a complete fucking tool. And the hiring manager reached out to me and was like, yo, was your bad experience because of this individual? And I was like, yeah, it was. Damn, I knew we should have fired him. Are you still doing DevX stuff, but for Java? Yeah, it was doing DevX stuff for Java. They have not yet started rewriting Ruby services in Java, but that's definitely coming, almost certainly. Hey, what's up, Mahamdi? Hello, hello. Okay. So we need to test our safe-ish plist loads. This is a basic plist. Okay, and then we need to test plist loads, ignores entities, and we need to take, this. Oops. Oh, that looked weird. Why the B? It's a byte string. But if they fire him for you, I mean, it's kind of too late now. But good question. What happened? It was just like the worst interview experience I've ever had. Like the problem statement was extremely unclear, and whenever I would answer a question, the interviewer would be like, "Okay, never mind. We're going to talk about something completely different now," and then would ask a completely different question. And the whole time the interviewer kept being like, "Yeah, well, I used to work at Palantir, and this is what we did at Palantir," and I was like, "I don't give a fuck about Palantir. I don't know, why are you telling me this? If anything, Palantir is like a negative." But yeah, they were just like super condescending and like really abrasive and not collaborative and just like a whole bunch of stuff that I did not want to, and I would have been working closely with them on the same team, so I just there is no way I was gonna go with that. Back then, an interview would get them to fire them rather than someone on the team is a huge red flag. Yeah, that's true. Although they all already kind of knew that this person shouldn't really be working there. But dude has a history, makes you wonder why they would make him an interviewer. Yeah, exactly. Well, I mean, they don't have enough people to really do it otherwise. So yeah. But yeah. Sounds like Century is a great fit. So glad you end up there. Yeah, I'm really excited for that. Really excited for that. Did you finish your interviews with your Twitch sign off? What? I don't know what you mean, Armis. What do you mean? What do you mean? Billion laughs XML. This one's more than a billion, but sure. I feel like I want a smaller one than that. Is there a shorter one than that? Or we'll use this one, fine. Now Babby's gonna get flagged by virus scanners. I don't think that's the right exception, but hopefully when we run it, it'll actually say what it is. Oh, it is the right exception. Let's use value error. That's fine. That was a good guess. Value error must be the base class or whatever that other thing is. Okay. Improve JSON parser to support trailing commas. All right, and then we'll restart the bot. And can you send me that theme URL again, Impos? Thanks for watching the stream. You can see the VODs. Oh yeah, that would have been funny. Yeah. Thank you for the interview. I upload educational content. Yeah. If you like me, so you can check out my YouTube channels and hit up the Discord. The Dick Sword. Yeah, exactly. The spiel. Yeah. That makes sense. Babby or Twitch chatbot? Wait, what do you mean? Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Smash that like button. Okay, let's see if we get kicked out again. Actually, just open this and do that. I did change my shirt. I did indeed. Where is the thing? Did it work? It says updated. Okay, I guess it works. It's the same theme. Hikari Knight, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How are you doing? But yeah, I had a mysterious delivery that I didn't know what it was earlier this week, and it got delivered today, and it's this shirt. It needs to go through the wash to shrink a little, but yeah, it is a subtle Zapdos, a subtle Zapdos button-down shirt. Very nice. That was your stream, Hikari Knight. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python open source stuff. Some of the things that I maintain that you might have heard of: PyTest, Talks, Flake8, Pre-commit, iFlakes, iUpgrade, Dead Snakes, a whole bunch of other stuff too. Probably set some doubles in there. Who knows? Did you figure out who sent the shirt? It was me. I ordered this like months ago and just forgot about it. It just took a very long time to get here. Forest Penguin says a channel point redeemed to change the shirt. The problem with that is I have to do laundry. I don't have infinite shirts, and I don't want to have to do more laundry than I'm already doing. But yeah. Generate the content dynamically to avoid simple pattern scanning. All right, I don't understand what you mean, parse it. I don't know what you mean. But how is your stream, Akari? I've been working on a quick pass-through script. It's a guided setup for GPU pass-through configuration for Linux host. Whoa, that's complicated. Channel points are deemed to flip noodle. To like left right flip noodle. That would be pretty funny. You played yourself. Yeah, I 100% played myself. I feel like I would just spend the entire stream flipping noodle. Oh, about the XML billion laughs. Yeah. Yeah, true. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's what you mean. That's what parser was talking about. Okay, yeah, I understand. I smarter childed myself again. Uh-oh, what? I have another message. Oh, your delivery was delivered. Yeah, I'm wearing it. I got it. Thank you. Okay. That was the XML thing. Yeah, makes sense. XML laughing abuse sounds like an exploit. Yeah, it's billion laughs. This is... Oh, did I forget to add the test? I forgot to add the test. Stupid plist lib. But this is billion laughs. It is a recursive entity expansion that takes lots and lots of CPU and RAM if your XML parser supports entity expansion. Too many topics going on at the same time? Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's complex. I ventured into the fun job of configuring grub and sysrd boot for the user. Those are things that I never want to do. That I never want to do. Sounds like a real pain in the ass. Okay. But anyway, let's push this up and restart the bot. Oh, we already restarted the bot. Okay, we're good. I like how the function name says safe-ish. So here's the thing that I've found in computing. If you ever name something fast or safe as a function name or a project name, it is usually neither of those things. Like if I'm doing a security audit, the first thing I'm going to look for is to find functions that are named safe. Because almost always they have vulnerabilities in them. They're almost always not safe. Like there was this function at Yelp called safeeval. That shit was not safe. It was very easy to break out of. You could use like int.double_classes.bases0. etc. And it was pretty easy to get to os.system. Or subprocess.popen, whichever one you wanted. But yeah, that's why it's called safe-ish. It's not meant to be. It's probably not 100% safe. But it's probably close enough. Self-help hub, thank you for the bits. Appreciate that. Lol Doll says, "Is Fang a goal for you, my good sir?" No, I do not want to work at Fang. Fang fucking sucks. You do not want to work at Fang either. I would make less money and work on less impactful things and hate my life way more. So yeah, well. It's either safe or eval. It can't be both. Yeah, exactly. Reverse psychology, just lie to ourselves. Yeah. How would I name a function that does faster Fourier transform? FFT? I think FFT is well known enough that you could get away with that, right? Kari says it requires some regex hack jobs. Oh no, is there not a parser for grub config? I mean, I guess the parser would have to be regex at some point. Ooh. Yeah, that doesn't sound fun either. That sounds like a fastish Fourier transform. Yeah, there you go. It's not Fang anymore, it's manga. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Explain why it's manga? Because it's not Facebook anymore, it's Meta. And it's not the other one that changed. Google became Alphabet. Oh wait, what's the other G then? Wait. Oh, I guess you're not changing the Google one. So you just changed the Facebook one. Got it. So wouldn't it be Mana? Mana. I need to wrap up my work for this project and release 1.0. Make some food. Sounds good. Well, thank you for the raid, and I'll see you around in the future. Have a good one. Did you figure out how to set up your tree mode? I did, but I should probably set up other things for it. So there's actually two things. There's emotes that you unlock for cheering, and then there's custom bits animations. So I can do either of those. I haven't done either of those. I still have normal I have normal emote slots still, so I should fill those up first before I do custom redemption ones. But yeah, I have not done either of those things yet, so still incomplete. Okay, what were we doing? We did the JSON parser. Oh, this is actually in another place too. Yeah, we have the same JSON with comments in here as well. So I should probably copy paste that into here. Cat, bot, plugins, babby thim. Copy paste? I mean, it's fine. This isn't distributed, neither is my chatbot, so I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I should test whether it works though. Do you have that link handy again, Senpause? Thank you. How about 2? I mean, it's the same color, but here, let's do this, and then do this, and then do pkill to show that it works. Okay, cool. Yep, seems to work. Do I have tests for this? No. And JSON trailing, comma, support to download theme. Yeah, this interface is a little bit weird, but it's whatever. Good enough. Oh, is this gonna be number 5,000? Nope. Oh, actually, once I merge it, it'll be 5,000. Yay! Look at that. Should get merged. I think I unsubbed this thread because the guy was being so annoying. Yeah, I unsubbed this thread. But I don't think this is ever going to progress. I think it's just going to be deadlocked for forever. They're not maintaining anymore. They're not maintaining anymore. I think this might be dead. I need to fix this. This is my fault. I haven't looked at this in almost 2 years though. They're not maintaining anymore. I don't know why anyone hasn't just merged this yet. This I probably need to rebase. Nope. Surprisingly not. Let's add another curses function. Yo, let's go. Let's fucking go. I'm so hyped about this. Is it going to be a separate issues repo? It probably makes the most sense. Yo. This is gonna be sick. I'm so hyped for this. Because BPO fucking sucks. It's just a black hole. A black hole of stuff. Yeah, this makes the most sense. A lot of shit to move over. This is great. He's making async elevators. Yeah, and he does a bunch of like audio stuff. He also made black. Yeah, he's great. Do you know about Twitch Prime? I do know about Twitch Prime. Dorfood, it hasn't worked yet. It hasn't worked, buddy. I think I'm not a large enough channel to shill Twitch Prime. It's fine. God damn. Yeah, this is gonna be a long, complex process, but oh man, I can't wait for the end result. The end result's gonna be so nice. Unfortunately, I don't think anyone is ever gonna review this. But such is life. Okay. Did I stall enough for you to finish? No? Almost. But yeah, we have improved our rethemer. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Oh, I don't like that. I find it weird that the white space has a different font color. Because otherwise it wouldn't be highlighted this blue, it would be highlighted this gray. Which is this color here. Is this the same color? No, those are a slightly different color. Like, everything is a slightly different color. Why didn't they just change the default text to be a different color? Kind of weird. Penkrapanzer says, I just installed Kali Linux and I'm here to ask you some questions. Well, not having audio on Linux is not a basic thing. Oh god, no audio on Linux is a disaster. What's my YouTube? The same as my Twitch, youtube.com/anthonywritescode. There's also a second channel for VODs and stuff. What is Kali? Kali is like Script Kiddie Hacker Linux. I don't think I could sum it up any better than that, though. Is there no channel point redemption for using the auto capitalization script? So GitHub added their own auto cap script that breaks it. So you can see how these and theirs is like slightly better than mine. But yeah, my auto cap script broke when they added that, so we could fix it, but no, we won't be. We probably won't be bringing the auto caps back. So our RIP that audio on Linux in 2022. Yeah, exactly. Meow Linux. What? Got even better. It got better though. Even better in Fedora, and they're making yet another system sound rewrite. Yeah, I think that's the perpetual thing about Linux is they will just continually rewrite sound forever. But yeah, sounds gonna be a mess forever, almost certainly. Oh, look at that. Hey, I satisfied. Boys, today. Yeah. Oh, what was that? 204? Cool. Cool. Moutharp, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Can I wait for 25k babbies and ask for direct help? I don't think I can help you with sound on Linux, because I don't know how to do it myself. Every Linux machine that I've had that had sound just worked without me doing anything. And everyone that didn't have sound, I just accepted fate and didn't try and fix it. Same thing with camera drivers. I never got my camera driver working on my old work laptop. And that was just okay. I just didn't do meetings with camera on. But yeah, I am not clever enough to work on drivers. Well, I'm not clever enough anymore to work on drivers. I did at one point write a driver for I had a Hackintosh VM, and yeah, you're not supposed to run a virtual machine in Mac OS unless you own. I guess I did own a device, so it's still legal, but they try really hard to not let you run a virtual machine of it. But I had a virtual machine in Mac OS, except the keyboard driver didn't work. It was the mouse driver. It was one of the two. But I wrote this like really hacky keyboard pass-through driver that was awful. And I was so embarrassed of the code that that one I actually deleted. I'm pretty sure I do not have that code anywhere. 25k baby is going to take a long time without a sub. Yeah, it's true. Even with a sub, they've made the points a lot slower. Yes, Lucy's almost to 25k. Whoa. Cool part of pasta audio is you can kill it nonstop. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, I actually have to leave in like 10 minutes, so I don't think we're gonna be able to start on anything before then. So, I think we might wrap up here, unfortunately. Zanjanam Stolek, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I think we're gonna wrap up here. Because I have stuff to do. You're almost at 250k? Holy shit. Are you going for that cool 1 million, Baldothis? I should just do more channel point bets to get you there quicker, right? Are you going to show off that t-shirt somewhere? No, I have a my house leaders are coming, and then I'm hanging out with a friend. So gotta do both of those things. But anyway, let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So you can check out those educational videos there. I also upload my previous streams to my second channel. So subscribe in either of those places if that interests you. So if you missed part of the stream, you can check it out there. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. However, for the next couple of weeks, I am not working. So I will be streaming early times, including probably tomorrow. Actually, we are probably doing 2 streams tomorrow. No promises yet, but I might be playing Minecraft in the evening with David. We'll see. We will see if that happens. It might happen. But I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is Twitter, and that's twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what we're going to work on. We did a little bit work on this, kind of ish. But yeah, I announce on Twitter. I also announce on the Discord. Which yeah, you're free to join, come hang out with us. But yeah, it should be pretty hype. But let's go find someone to raid.